Welcome. We continue today with the series, and the first thing we are gonna do is to get set up. So if you head to the Lumbermixalot GitHub page, I have some basic instructions on how to get set up. And the most important one, of course, is that you need to do a minor modification to the code base of Lumberyard, specifically in this file, the actor builder CPP. And the idea is that you're going to add this block of code, which is gonna help into skipping an undesired kind of root bone. And it's not even a root bone, let's call it more of a root node that Blender always adds when exporting FBX files with armatures. Of course, you add this and you have to recompile the engine because you're changing just a CPP file. You should recompile relatively quick. And the next step would be to install the Blender add-on. So let me walk you through how to do this, which is right here is no different than any other Blender add-on. So if you're comfortable installing, removing add-ons for Blender, you should skip this section. Anyway, so very easy. You just can do, you're gonna click on clone or download, and you're gonna download the zip. And you're gonna see here a file has been downloaded. It's a zip file. You'll see downloaded here is under the downloads folder. Nothing unusual here. And then you're gonna open Blender. Okay, so this is the opening screen of Blender. And you may wanna just start with Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and then you're just gonna click on Install. And you're gonna find the place where you downloaded the zip file from GitHub. I got it on Downloads, and here it is, the file we just downloaded. We're gonna double click on it, and after being installed, you're going to hear some of the information, and you're gonna enable it. So once you enable it, you can close this, and the question is, what happened? Where is the add-on? So you're gonna come right here, and you're gonna extend this window, and here you will see in this tab here, this is where you're gonna see Lumbermixalot. Right here, you click on it, and there it is. This is the basic UI. That means you're installed and you're ready to go. And your final next step for setup, in case you have never done it, is that you may want to create an account at Mixamo, mixamo.com. And once you have done that, then you can continue with the next video, which is where we're gonna import the character. Thanks for watching.